This lever gives you access to the controls at the bottom of the camera. You pull up and out to the right and then down. Here's the on-off switch, left for off and right for on. See, the light's blinking green, means the battery's weak, needs to be changed. So we turn it off and on. So we turned it off. And then I'm going to take the batteries out from underneath here. This is the battery case. Pulls out. Yeah. There's the battery case. That's the battery case. So put that one in my pocket. And here's a new battery case with all the batteries in it, fresh batteries. Okay. So I'm going to put that in there. Slides in with the batteries facing forward. Yeah. Okay. Now when I turn it on, okay. And it's blinking, and this is blinking to try and connect. It's just going to try and connect to the network. When it's connected, it'll go solid, and you'll see a big green light up here once it's connected to the network. And the batteries are in there. There's the green light up above, right there. That's the green light. Blinks 5 or 6 times, I think. And then when it's finished, it'll go off. Now, the next thing you'll see if you leave it like this with the door open is when you move, when you have motion in the picture, the green light goes on, and that means it's recording. It's recording a video. Recording a video with the green light on, and that's with the door open. Okay. Once it finishes, it'll turn blue, and when it turns blue, let's see if I can zoom in. Oops. So you can see the blue light. This is the blue light now. I don't know if you can really see it. No, it almost looks green, but it's really blue. It's a blue light. Okay, even though it looks in the film to be green. Now it is uploading that video that was just taken. He's uploading it to the server so that we can download it later on. Now I'm going to give some motion again, put my hand in front, back and forth, and it's going to take another video. So it turns green, taking another video. Of course, when you close this, you really won't see it doing that. It does not give anybody any indication that there's something being recorded when it's closed. So when it's closed, you don't see the green lights or anything. So other than at startup you will see the top green light up. But after it's started up, and it's ready to take pictures. When the green light goes on down here, you won't see it because the door will be closed. Okay? So with the door open, oops, gotta keep the antennas pointed up. Keep this antenna pointed up. Yeah, pointed up. What was I gonna say here? Okay, so it's on now, and there's motion in the picture, so the door's open, you can see it, but when the door's closed, you won't be able to see it. See, and you snap this in tight, and it's all water sealed. It's sealed up so it can't get wet. With the door closed, we always want the door closed. With the new batteries in, this camera is ready to go.